Hello everyone. Let's start NEET question given in 2024. The question says X, Y, Z, P, Q. Nuclear emission stated above. The mass number and atomic number of product Q respectively. Four options are given: 280, 81, 288, 82, 286, 80, 286, 81. Let's understand this. Here in the nuclear transition, parent atom is X, whose atomic number is 290 and 82. When alpha decay take place, it reduced by mass number 4, atomic number 2. Then 290 minus 4 will become 286. Then atomic number is 82 minus 2, 80. So the X product is become Y product. Then Y product mass number is 286, atomic number is 80. When Y product emits beta plus decay, that means proton. When proton is reduced, so atomic number will reduce. Mass number is remain same. So mass number will become 286, atomic number will become 79, because 80 minus 1 will become 79. Then next, beta minus decay, that is when beta minus decay take place, neutron transits into the proton and the electron. Electron is given out. When electron is given out, proton number will increase. So when proton number is increases, atomic number increase by 1. So here 79 plus 1 will become 80. Mass number remains same. So next transition is Q, P to Q. What happened? Electron emission is taking place. This is just an electron emission, not beta decay. It does not change the mass number or atomic number. So finally answer of the Q is mass number is 286, atomic number is 80. Next question is, in a series LCR circuit, the inductance is 10 millihenries. That is 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Henry. Capacitance is 1 microfarad and resistance R is 100 ohm. So these are all connected in series. The frequency at which the resonance occurs. So resonance will take place when inductive reactance is equal to capacitive reactance. At that time, omega L is equal to 1 by omega C. When you calculate omega square equal to 1 by LC, omega will be equal to 1 by root of LC. So omega is 2 pi f, then f is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root of LC. So just substituting the value 1 divided by 2 pi, pi is 3.14 and L is given here 10 milli, 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 as I told you earlier, and then again capacitance is given 1 microfarad, that is 10 to the power of minus 6. When you calculate, you will get 1.59. So the answer is 1.59, the value. It's option 3, 1.59 kilohertz. It is a frequency. Don't confuse between this 2 and 3. 2 will be given radians per second, but we are calculated in kilohertz. So 1.59 is the correct answer. Let's start another question. The quality factor of LCR resonance circuit, 75. Quality factor means sharpness factor in resonance. When resonance takes place, the value will become peak current. Then the quality will be depend upon the values of LC and R. if the resistance is decreased by 50% and inductance is increased by 100%, then quality factor of the circuit is, the same thing is given in Telugu also. So here we are doing quality factor equation is Q1 is equal to omega 0, that is the angular frequency at resonance, and then L1 is the initial inductance value, and R1 is 75. So when the values are increased or decreased, R2 is given as R1 by 2. So it is reduced by half, 50% reduced. Then L2 is increased by 100%. It will become 2L. So the new quality factor will become omega 0 2L1 R1 by 2. So this value will become 4 times of omega 0 L1 by R1. Just substitute omega 0 L1 by R1, which is 75. 75 into 4 will become 300. This is the option is third. Next question is, if the monochromatic source in Young's double slit experiment is replaced by white light, then option 1, interference pattern will disappear. Option 2, there will be a central dark fringe surrounded by a few colored fringe. Option 3, there will be a central bright white fringe surrounded by few colors. Then fourth one, all bright fringes will be of equal width. The answer is, when white light is the combination of all visible wavelength. When white light is used, each wavelength will be produces its own interference pattern. So third one is correct. There will be a central bright. There is no phase change, so it will be bright. Then surrounded by the few colored fringes. This is the answer. You know that the either side you can see that in double split white was white central fringe. Either side you will see the color fringes. So third option is correct.